Today we are going to show you demo of a wristband. We have two type of wristband. This one is Chinese, imported from China. This is a general one people buying in quantities for regular use, right? It's a economical one and we sell in bulk also. And this one we have is developed in India by us. There is a quality difference in both. First of all, I will show you the wire. This one is conductive wire. It's a conductive fiber inside. But this one we have copper inside. So first difference is the wire. Second difference is this one have the limited length, like 1.8 meter only. But this one we have two category. We are manufacturing it in 2 meter and also in 5 meter. So you can purchase any 2 meter one also available to us, 5 meter also available to us. Also if you need more than that, you can send this in quantity, we can make that also. Second difference is, as you can see, there is a conductive fiber enough in this one strap, but in this strap there is a very less conductive fiber. This is the second difference. Also you can see the clip quality. This one have better one. And further, if you want to use it with the mat, like if your mat have the button like this, you can also separate this clip. We can provide this type of button. You can easily attach here, and then you can fix this easily, and easy. So this is the demo of our wristband, Chinese versus Indian. We have both one. If you need, we can provide you. Thank you.